Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about keeping your LinkedIn group active and engaging. As a group owner, you have to do the necessary steps for your LinkedIn group to have an engaging environment for your members. Tip number 1. Give a warm welcome to every new member. Personalize the message to establish rapport with your new member. Make them feel comfortable with the group. You'll be surprised that they might ask for a connection with you on LinkedIn. That's in addition to your network. Also, orient them with the rules of the group so that they will avoid bending the regulations. Tip number 2. Start posting a topic in your group. While you're still in the process of inviting new members and growing your group, you should be the first one to post content. Research on what your target market's interests are and have the content ready for that topic. Start with open-ended posts to start encouraging the flow of the discussion. Tip number 3. Participate in group discussion topics. As a group owner, you should start initiating the conversation so that it continuously gets more comments and lets other members participate with the discussion too. Tip number 4. Ask your co-moderators to brainstorm with you. Lead a private discussion about what they can come up with to suggest and contribute to the group every week or every other week. This depends on the need to do such an activity. Doing this will keep ideas fresh and it will add to your content ideas too. Tip number 5. Mention the experts. If you have a member on your LinkedIn group who is an expert on a particular topic, mention him in the ongoing discussion. He will be able to give his opinions, share ideas, and experiences that can be helpful to all. This will benefit your members and your group harmony discussion as well. Tip number 6. Recognize people for their group participation. People who get recognition for a job well done are more eager to repeat that activity that caused that recognition. Maintaining your group needs your time and focus. Be patient and time will come that your group members will grow but still maintaining a harmonious group discussion. So it's important that while you're in the stage of growing your group, you can come up with ideas that will keep your LinkedIn group effective. Now that you have learned these tips about keeping your LinkedIn group active and engaging, it's time to proceed to the next topic, which is how to get people to post in your group. See you there!
Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to get people to post in your group. Inviting more people on your LinkedIn group is not enough to make it grow successfully. To consider it successful, you must notice that your group members are posting content on their own, supporting each other, and engaging within the group. This keeps the momentum of your group alive. Here are some tips that you can follow. Tip number 1. Ask questions. Always initiate asking questions to your members regarding what they think of your latest posts, what their insights are, and what particular topics do they find interesting to engage with. Tip number 2. Be the first to set an example. Be their leader. Always exert effort to give value to your members first. When they've been regularly seeing your posts, they will have the idea of what type of posts they can share as a contribution to the group. Tip number 3. Allot time for your members. As a group owner, be supportive of your members' initiatives to post on your group. Whether it's their first time to post content, like and comment on their post. Make sure that your comments make sense and it adds more value to their post. It's also a good practice to mention someone in your group who can add more insight to that topic. Tip number 4. Share success stories. Everybody loves stories, and everybody has their ups and downs. We empathize with people who we think are at the lowest point of their lives but later strive to achieve their success today. It inspires everybody, and they would even share that same story in their network. Tip number 5. Always thank people who share their content in your group. Always be reminded that you can make a person's day by giving positive reinforcements. This action will motivate your members to post more in your group since they have gained a sense of belonging and acceptance in your group. If you want to make your group interesting, always give valuable information to your members. That way, they will keep on coming back to your group to check if there are new interesting topics where they can learn something from. Now that you have learned these tips about how to get people to post in your group, it's time to proceed to the next chapter, which is managing your contacts. See you there!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.